From this to this in only a few minutes at your desk? Hello, Electro Jeweler Jordan here, and today we're going to talk about the rotary brass brush, an often overlooked and easy way to clean up your jewelry. I'm going to start with the pen type, and first thing you do is just put a little bit of detergent on it and some water. I'm just going to get all the small areas, the hard to reach places. I prefer the brass rotary brushes over the steel ones, as they are softer, they won't mar your jewelry, and they're a lot easier on your hands. Then I'm going to switch to the 15mm cup wheel. A little bit of detergent, and then this will get the bigger surface areas. Also, small particles of steel may get lodged into the soft copper. This can act as a potential source of contamination for other processes such as gold, silver, nickel plating, or patinas. And here's a piece with some texture on it. We're just going to start with the front bezel and the sides with the pen. All that detail is cleaned up very fast. 15mm cup wheel. And here we go. See how quick that is? A little bit slippery. Takes the oxidation right off. Smooths out. I hope this helped. Please like and subscribe. If you're Brightener curious or you need electroforming supplies or information, please visit our website below. And remember, keep on plating and creating.